channel. It's your girl Jen and I am back with another lit video. Today I have, so Julius is here. He's just coming off of work. Jay's here, Rylan and Cole are here. And I'm actually in charge of dinner tonight, and I'm gonna be cooking Jamaican chicken soup. And I thought I would vlog it just in case anybody's looking for a new soup recipe. Honestly, you won't be disappointed. So I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients. All the ingredients that I'm using can be found at like any No Frills. And I will put the items that I'm using, the ingredients I'm using, in the description down below. So I already have the pot of water boiling, and we're gonna quickly go over the ingredients and then we're gonna get right into it. So we have Dasheen, which can be found at No Frills, yellow yam, thyme, scallion. Most Canadians would probably refer to this as a green onion. Pumpkin is a must, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with all of this stuff. Grace cock soup. Yes, you read that right. We use 2 packs of this. I already washed up the chicken. So we use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Honestly, you can use any chicken. We have potatoes and carrots already pre-cut, and these are just regular Irish potatoes. We have white flour. We have cornmeal, and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do with this. This is actually for the dumplings, and honestly, once you try cornmeal dumplings, you'll never go back to regular dumplings. And then, of course, salt and pepper. So we're gonna start off by cutting the pumpkin. Now, some people do their pumpkin different ways. So we actually like to boil it down. We peel the skin off of it, we boil it down. When it's done boiling, we take it out and we mash it up, and then we put it back in the pot. Don't mind Jay in the background. So we're just gonna chop it up. So this is all going to go in the pot probably for about 10 minutes until it softens. So the pumpkin's in the pot, and while that's boiling down, I'm going to get the dumplings ready to go. So I already have my flour in the bowl. I'm going to add some cornmeal, and I'm going to add some water and some salt. Don't forget the salt. Salt is a must in dumplings. So you're not gonna put too much cornmeal. I'm gonna mix it all around. I'm gonna throw some salt. And I don't measure. I just kind of put in whatever I think is the appropriate amount. All right, let's add some water. You're gonna do a lot of kneading. So some people like to do their dumplings like traditional round dumplings, but whenever we're doing soup, we usually do the spinners, and I'll show you what those look like. If you guys want a good like wrist workout, this is it. Woo, these dumplings are gonna be good. What's that, Jay? You think so too? Huh? So this is what the spinner dumplings look like. So I'm just gonna continue making a bunch of those. So the spinners are done. I'm gonna take a few minutes and check on the pumpkin. Pumpkin is out of the pot. I'm gonna give it a quick mash, and then it's gonna go back in. Some people might wonder why we're using pumpkin in the soup, or why you make Jamaican chicken soup with pumpkin, and you know, it gives it flavor, and it also like adds some color. So, and this is what it looks like all mashed up. So now that that is back in the pot, I'm going to put the chicken in. I'm going to cut up the yellow yam and the dasheen, and I'm going to get both of those and the dumplings in the pot as well. So I'll show you guys how to cut the yam if you haven't watched my previous cooking video. This is what it looks like inside, and honestly it's so good, and you can't make soup without this. Like it's just not gonna be the same. Oh, and this one's bruised inside. So when you're cutting the yam, first of all, you need to peel it, and make sure you peel far enough down because the skin, right by the skin, can be a little bit bitter. And also, as soon as you're done peeling and cutting it, wash your hands right away because they may get a little itchy if you don't. Because we don't want no bruised yam in our soup. And I usually wait to cut this and peel it until right when it's ready to go in the pot. It starts to turn color, so I like to get it in the water right away. So this is what the Dasheen looks like. I like to, like I said, I like to wait to peel this until right when it's going in as well because it also starts to turn color. Okay, so now that I have the chicken, the dumpling, the Dasheen, and the yellow yam, and the crushed pumpkin in the pot, we're just gonna let this sit for a little while. I'm gonna add 1 pack of the Cobb soup mix, and then we're just gonna let this cook off for a little bit before we add the next ingredients. JJ, come say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Jay. Say hi. Say wagwan. Yeah. You want to say hi? All right, so the pot has been boiling for a while, and it's now time to put in the carrots, potatoes, the thyme, and the scallion, and I'm also gonna put a little bit of black pepper, and then I'm gonna let that boil for a little bit, and then we'll put the last pack of Grace soup mix. And then I usually taste the flavor. If we need to add a little bit of salt, then we do so right at the end. Also, I forgot to show you guys the corn, but I did not forget the corn. The corn is in the pot. It wouldn't really be Jamaican chicken soup if there was no corn, but I didn't forget. So everything is officially in the pot except for the last pack of Grace soup, Cobb soup mix. I'm just gonna wait for this to boil back up a little bit, but like, guys, look how good this looks. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Like, it is so good. So we're gonna wait for that to boil down, and we'll see you back in a little bit. Hey guys, we are back. Soup is ready. Oh my gosh, look, just like, just look at this. Like, come on. Don't even tell me that doesn't look delicious. So Canadians usually, not just Canadians, but I don't think, but we usually eat our soup with fresh bread and butter. So Rylan, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our oldest daughter, Rylan. She's going to be slicing up some bread and putting some butter on it.
I'm the youngest daughter.
This is Cole,
Hi.
my clown, and clearly he needs a haircut. We were quarantined. Cole, stop. So we're gonna dish out the soup. And I've never actually cooked the Jamaican chicken soup for the kids before. Julius has always been the one to cook it. So they're gonna let me know what they think. Hopefully I live up to Julius's standards. And
Ladies first.
one thing I want to mention is if you like spicy soup and you don't have like younger kids eating it, you might want to throw in some Scotch bonnet peppers. We don't put those in the soup because Jay loves the soup as well, and Rylan and Cole don't really like spicy.
You're not putting Peppa Pig
but that's
in
an
the soup.
option. Cole, stop. That's an option, so you can always, like, if you like spicy, throw some Scotch bonnet peppers in there. Baby, you want to come say hi? Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Yeah, don't cut your fingers. How does it look, baby?
It looks amazing.
And I did this with no help from Julius.
I did all of it.
If you guys actually, if you haven't seen our wedding video, you should go back and watch it because one of my vows was to learn how to cook Jamaican
and one
food.
of your vows is to not get shot by the popo again.
Yeah, you could. All right, so I'm gonna just set this down, babe, and I'm gonna just dish it out.
Yeah. Taste test. So now it's time to taste Mommy's chicken soup. I was gonna say chicken soup.
Jay's
So-
gonna try it too.
This is actually really good.
Oh,
This is good.
it is?
It's 9.9 out of 10.
Rylan, what do you have to say about the chicken?
I don't know where the human flesh is, so that's why
What do you have to say about the soup?
that's why I didn't have 0.1 yet. That's why I didn't.
Is
put
it
that
flavorful?
Yes. That's why I didn't put that 0.1. I didn't put that 0.1. What's it called?
Hey, you
Shut
better
up.
give me a 10 out of 10,
no,
boy.
I didn't put that 0.1 because there's no human flesh.
Oh my god.
Boy, which universe do you live in? Okay, JJ,
Leslie.
what do you have to say about Mommy's cooking? Is it good?
He needs to try some chicken.
He's having the potatoes and all of that. I don't even know what's on his.
Is that hot, baby?
Yeah, we have bread right there.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, I don't eat bread with soup.
Lies.
I
You tried it
don't-
last time.
I tried
You
it.
Loved it.
I tried it, but I don't eat bread with soup. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it now and see if it's any good.
It's good. It just needs to be. Stop saying that.
Hey, easy with the.
Cool.
What kind of talking is that, boy?
Stop.
We're around the dinner table. You can't be talking out like that, boy.
It's Shannon. How is it, baby?
So she did really good. She did really good. All by herself, no help. It looks, if you can see my plate, it looks really good. Really soupy, really flavorful.
But let us know in the comments if there's anything, especially obviously for all of our Jamaican subscribers, if there's anything different that you would have added that maybe we should try next time. Or anything that we put in that maybe you wouldn't have put in yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna enjoy our dinner now, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, pass the Scotch bonnet pepper then.
Look at Jay, he's going to town.
Jay.
Jay, oh, he wants more.
Peace. Food I eat.
Guys, say bye.
Bye.